Step into the 2009 Acura TSX. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are driver adjustable lumbar, heated mirrors, bucket seats, CD player, Bluetooth connection, MP3 player, power outlet, power door locks, and engine immobilizer. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.